Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to save Midjourney images. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, go ahead and log into your Midjourney account. Open up a web browser and log into midjourney.com account. Sign into your Midjourney account like you normally do by tapping the sign in button and logging into your Discord account. After you log into your Discord account, make sure that you've joined in to the Midjourney server. From the top left, select Midjourney server, and once you are done, simply go ahead and select the image you'd like to download from Midjourney. Once you find the image, tap the three dots appearing at the top right hand corner and tap on Save. Allow necessary permissions such as accessing your picture from your device, and you'll be able to find the image that you've downloaded on your phone's library. That is how it can be easily done. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you've learned how you can easily save Midjourney images on your mobile devices. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.